It's been a very muted trading session for the markets today. If you look at the benchmark indices, they are actually moving in a very tight range in either juggling between the positive and the negative territory. But if you look at the sectoral indices, it's the IT sector that's gaining. You have the PSU Bank Index that's falling in trade today. You also have the media index that is declining in trade today. But what are the stocks that are moving? First up, I'll talk about the entire cement pack. Remember, the government announced a stimulus yesterday to boost demand, and that is likely to aid the cement sector, is what the analysts believe. Jefferies has actually has turned constructive on the cement sector on improving demand outlook. Jefferies believes that the improvement in demand outlook should also allow for an increase in the cement prices, which actually reduced by about 2 to 5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis in Q2. So they're expecting to see some price hike coming in with the demand outlook improving. Jefferies has also upgraded Ultratech as well as Ramco Cements to buy from hold. They've also upgraded Shree Cement to hold from underperform. They maintain a buy stance on ACC as well as Ambuja Cements. Also, apart from that, you had another news that cement companies have gone ahead and taken a price hike in the Andhra as well as Telangana region as well. So all of these combination of factors aiding the cement stocks today. So if you look at JK Cements, it's hit a record high levels. You had Ambuja Cements that hit a 52-week high today. You have ACC that's gaining for a second straight session. Ditto is for the Ultratech Cement. Ramco Cement has gained for 6 out of 7 trading sessions. So going good for the cement sector in today's trading session. Moving on, let me talk about Rani Brake Lining. The stock has surged over 13% in trade today. That is most in 16 weeks. As company board is all slated to meet on October 15th to consider proposal of buyback of equity shares. And this is having a ripple effect on the Rani Group companies as well. So you're not only seeing Rani Brake Lining surge in trade, you have Rani Holdings that surged over 8% intraday, snapped its 4-day losing streak. You have Rani Engine that has surged most in over 9 months. You also have Rani Madras that has also snapped 4-day losing streak. So all in all, going good for this particular counter as well. Next up is Dixon Tech. That particular counter surged over 3.5% in trade today. Jefferies initiated a coverage on the stock with a buy rating. They've kept a target of 12,600 rupees on the share. Jefferies is saying its conviction is underpinned by notable industry opportunity with the electronic manufacturing services market likely to grow at over 47% plus CAGR over the next 5 years. And they expect Dixon Tech to actually benefit from this. So that is why that stock is also surging in trade. Let me take you through the stocks that have hit record high levels today. You have HCL Technologies, you have JK Cements like I mentioned, you have Infosys, you have Coforge. Also, you have L&T Tech that are surging in trade. They've also hit the record high levels today. So these are the movers in today's trading session.